Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how to change your Trust Wallet name. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the name into your Trust Wallet, you just simply have to open the Trust Wallet application. And after that, simply unlock your Trust Wallet application, and now just simply tap to the gear button into the top left corner. After going in there, you will get to see all of your wallets into the top section of wallets. Tap into that section and then you can see all of your wallets in here. So simply tap to the three dots beside the wallet which you want to change the name. And after that, this page will appear. Now you just simply have to remove the current name for your wallet and then just simply select the new name for your wallet and tap to check button into the top right corner, and then your wallet name will successfully be changed. This way you can easily change your wallet name into your Trust Wallet application. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.